Yeah, I was suffering with acidity and bloating. These were the two main issues, and they really, being in a profession of a doctor and eating tiles were haphazard. And if you have not eaten properly, then your output is also affected. So that was the thing. This acidity and bloating led to a lot of mental issues, anger, and I sometimes I think so. It was the anger and the irritability which made me think, I have to put a full stop to this. It was so severe that whenever I used to put a morsel of food into my mouth and swallow it, I had to gulp it down with water because you could feel the burning sensation right down from my stomach to the and it didn't stop just while eating. This happened when I used to sleep also. So whenever I used to have my food, I didn't sleep immediately after food. It would be say 2 and 2.5 hours. But the moment I would lie down, immediately I used to get this acid regurgitation. I used to get that acid reflux, that would be the right term for it. And I had to get up from the bed, sit for some time, and that would disturb my sleep. So this was the main event. Other than that, I was in my menopause, and hot flashes was something very common. But what what was the was the pain which I used to get, the muscle pain, the bone pain, and the feeling that I'm not progressing somewhere in life. All these physical symptoms gave rise to mental issues, and they were hampering my progress in my work. And that is the time, and in my work environment also. My irritability did affect my staff members, it did affect my family members. So that is the time I felt, I have to change something about it. And it was, of course, by changing and I was not eating properly, that was 100% sure. So, and I had tried dieting many times, but every time, my schedule or my profession didn't allow me to go by the norms which others have set. And I wanted to go my way, somebody who could take me my way. And that is how it all started.